2,000 years later.
We've reached to this, what is that? A chicken? Now we've reached to this track. It seems like a cycling track or a walking track, but has a lot of kitchad. Oh no! Just a minute. We'll have to translate and get back. So the board said that this is a free access park, but no cycles allowed, no horses allowed, no stray dogs or dogs, I don't know, something like that. But my white shoes, I'm scared for my white shoes. What is this kitchen everywhere? I think it's a farm. Oh my god, what is that? Yuck! I think it's a farm or a farming land, not sure. There was a peacock or a duck, something that was walking. It saw us and it ran away, and there are people coming now. So obviously I'm going to feel awkward and shut my camera. So this is how... Hey, these are carrots. No. Tulips? Or what is it? Ginger? These are some vegetable fields. Yeah, I think so. There's cabbage, there's cauliflower, there's some kind of... I think that's cauliflower again. There are a lot of...
garlic.
Yeah, I think so. There are a lot of vegetable farms here. Oh, please don't be mischievous and pick those just for viewing. But there are also, I think these are private. Oh, see, there's mint, celery, thyme. We walked around 1 kilometer and then we've come to this spot where they've written something in Dutch. So if you want to understand, pause and read, because I don't know what they're saying. But there's a very tricky bridge here. So if you walk halfway, they've opened it and they've locked it. So you walk and then you reach here. But whoever is the owner of this land does not want you to cross the path, so they've locked it. Now if you're brave enough, you can jump and go maybe, but I am very tall to do this, so I'm going to skip. Let's continue. Wow, flowers. I think we are halfway through, but the entire stretch looks the same. We're not sure where we are going. We're just walking and walking, and we'll see where the end destination is. We've made it to the end of the walking path, guys, and no surprises, all the bridges are locked by that uncle, whoever locked it. We've come to a flatland. Oh, a lot of ducks flying. Are? I don't know. What is happening? Relax, guys. Just relax.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
So we've come to the end of the walking path. This seems to be a much cleaner, much flatter surface. There's no bridge to cross that side, but there are a lot of birds, a lot of people also coming by behind. But it's a nice scenery, I think. We can fly here, maybe. So let's see. Deepak just went thinking it's a dry surface, but half of his leg was inside the water. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are so many birds flying here. I don't know if it's being captured on the camera or no, but it's just stunning. Huh? Oh, by the way, we finally managed to find a dry piece of land to set our drone, and then Deepak is figuring out how do we start it, because it's also very windy, so it's a little risky. What are you doing? I don't know if it's being captured on the camera because I am partially... Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. I just hope it doesn't fall inside the water, and there are a lot of birds flying around. Is it even capturing us? Because the camera is on the other side. Modern day patang without the manja. We just hope we've not scared the birds here. But yeah, we finally managed to kind of understand how to fly it, but it's also very windy. So I'm not sure after all this we've even placed an SD card inside. So I think we'll have to get it down and see. Wow, now we don't know how to bring it down. See you soon, guys. Let us try to find out what. Sorry, birds. Finally managed to fly the drone. We were successful in learning it. By we I mean Deepak. I am just here to collect the footage. But it is super windy. So it's a little out of control at some points, and there's some beep going on. Guys, it's dog and the bone. Nobody knows who's the dog, who's the bone. But there's some beep. Arey. Ayo. Yeah, there's some beep. Why is it beeping? And there are a lot of dogs passing by this path. And I've got my bag here which has some chicken in it. And every dog that used to pass by would come and sniff my bag. And that's how there are few dogs that have spoiled my jacket with their footprints. There are few dogs that spoiled my bag with their licks, but it's all good. I won't blame them. It's the chicken. And yeah, we've managed to finally fly the drone. This was just the first time. You can see how windy this place is. समय समाप्त. पायलट दीपक के साथ फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट ऐश्वर्या शेट्टी से धन्यवाद. Guys, it was a great day. It's still windy. We had some snacks. We're done with flying a drone. We kind of got a hang of it. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but it is very windy. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Hit that like button. Comment down below what you liked. Share. What is it? Hit the bell icon. Subscribe to my channel, because you know what? All of this is for free. So go do it right now. There's not been a single time where we've gone to a destination and not boarded the wrong bus. So we were supposed to board bus number 126, but we boarded bus number 130. And now, out of nowhere, we're in a new city, a new station. We're waiting for our train, which is going to be there in the next 21 minutes. But yeah, it's a new city altogether. It's all because of this guy, the one who's laughing so loudly. Stupid. So yeah, then we'll go to Amsterdam Central, and then we'll take a tram back home.